A gentle pushback. The A350's reverser system is a marvel of modern engineering. Did you know a fully deployed A350 reverser system can shorten landing distances by up to 1,000 meters? This is crucial for landing on shorter runways. This impressive capability is a testament to the power of thrust reversers in modern aviation. They are essential for safe landings. These systems play a critical role in ensuring safe and efficient landings, especially on shorter runways or in challenging weather conditions. They provide an extra layer of safety. Imagine an aircraft touching down after a long flight. The pilots rely on these systems. The wheels meet the runway, and the pilots need to decelerate quickly. Every second counts. This is where the A350's sophisticated reverser system comes into play. It's a critical component. By redirecting engine thrust forward, the system provides a powerful braking force, working in conjunction with the aircraft's wheel brakes. This combination ensures a smooth and safe landing. Unveiling the mechanics behind one of aviation's most fascinating features. How thrust reversal works is both complex and ingenious. The Airbus A350 employs a type of thrust reverser known as a cascade reverser, which is seamlessly integrated into its twin engines. When activated, these reversers ingeniously redirect a portion of the engine's exhaust gases forward rather than backward. This redirection of airflow creates a backward force, effectively reversing the thrust of the engines and significantly slowing the aircraft down. The cascade reverser system consists of a series of movable vanes or doors located within the engine nacelle. During normal operation, these vanes direct the exhaust gases rearward, providing the necessary thrust for flight. When thrust reversal is required, hydraulic actuators come into play, moving the vanes to block the exhaust flow and redirect it forward, ensuring a safe and efficient landing. A safety net in the sky. The importance of thrust reversers. Thrust reversers are not just about reducing wear and tear on brakes, they are a crucial safety feature in aviation, providing pilots with an additional layer of control during landings. This is particularly important in adverse weather conditions such as rain or snow, which can significantly reduce braking effectiveness on the runway. In emergency situations, such as a rejected takeoff or a go-around, thrust reversers can help to quickly decelerate the aircraft and prevent a potential overrun. By providing an immediate and powerful braking force, thrust reversers can truly make all the difference in averting a disaster. Pushing the limits. Challenges and risks of maximum reverser deployment. While the A350's reverser system is designed for safety and efficiency, there are challenges and potential risks associated with using it to its maximum capacity. Engineers and pilots must be aware of these risks to ensure safe operations. One concern is the potential for hot gas ingestion, which can be particularly problematic during certain flight conditions. When reversers are deployed at high power settings, there is a risk of the reversed exhaust gases being ingested back into the engines, potentially causing damage. This can lead to increased maintenance costs and operational delays. Another challenge is the increased noise generated by the reverser system, particularly at high power settings. This noise can be disruptive and is a significant concern for airport authorities. This can be a concern for communities near airports, where noise pollution is already a contentious issue. Effective noise management strategies are essential. Pilots are trained to use thrust reversers judiciously, balancing the need for deceleration with noise abatement procedures. This training ensures that they can make informed decisions during critical phases of flight.